I just want to film a quick update on the patio cover. As you can see, one side is all the way in. And I'll give you another shot from the other side. Now I got some plans here, passed by the little caterpillar. So I'm gonna hang 2 mounts for the what do you call it, hammocks. One right there. And let me give you a shot of the other side. Okay, and it's coming along great. Now I notice on these 2 beams I'm gonna have to put a support there and there, just in case we get some snow or some heavy rain. But yeah, looking great, painted up. Let me show you from the outside. Okay, this is what we're looking like from the outside. Scaffolding is working great, but so you can see. Okay, so I tested it. There's no rain, no leaks. And yeah, so the other side, which is empty, should go up pretty fast. It's already framed up. And that will be updated soon. All right, thank you.